Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to equip or unequip wall pack in the Dress and Dress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. After the winter update, if you want to equip the wall pack, you need to go to this room and then you're going to go to this option, this menu. And here you'll be able to equip the wall packs that you have. I'm going to choose this one. And you can click on equip idol or equip walk. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, the fresh walk. And it looks like this. And if you want to change it, just go back to here. And let me choose this one, or okay, this one, the ice skating walk. Okay, just like this. This is the wall pack I got from the winter update. If you want to unequip the walk, just go back to the changing room. Yeah, just like this. And okay guys, that's how you can equip or unequip the wall pack in the Dress and Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!